afternoon, class. It's lovely to see you all here again today. I hope you've all had a lovely day this far. Today in the English class, we are going to be speaking about jobs. We started speaking about jobs briefly yesterday, where we learned that some of our parents are bankers, some of them are lawyers, and some of them are even nurses. So today we will continue with this discussion, and we need to take out our books for this, so we can all just take out our textbooks and open it on page 14. Okay, this is what page 14 is supposed to look like. So if everybody can just give me indication that they're on page 14, we can begin. Okay, so on page 14, we are going to do some vocabulary practices to start out. Okay, our vocabulary practices here, we have 4 pictures. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures, and right next to the pictures, we have 4 different types of professions. Okay, so your job for these exercises is to match the picture of the person with the name of their profession. Okay, so for instance, the first word says teacher. So can anyone tell me which one of these squares has a teacher in it? That's right, number 2 has a teacher in it, okay, because he is a teacher. So right next to the word teacher, we will write the number 2. Okay, so that is what you are going to do for the exercise A, for exercise B, and exercise C. So please go through all of these exercises. Right next to it, what number box matches the word. In section A, we have jobs. In section B, we have the places where these people work. In section C, we have the things that these people do. So you go ahead and do these matchings. I will give you a few minutes. Put your pencils down when you have finished, so I know that you have completed, and we will then review together. Okay, it looks like everybody has completed, so let's do the answers together. Okay, we have got a teacher in the box 2. So right next to the word teacher, we had number 2. Who can tell me which one of these squares has a doctor? That's right, number 1 is a doctor. Okay, who can tell me which one of these squares has a police officer? That's right, very good. Number 3 is a police officer. And then lastly, who can tell me which one is a pilot? Right, that is very good. Number 4 is a pilot. So do any of you know one of these people in these professions? Your dad is a pilot. That's very good. Good answer. So you know a pilot. And I am a teacher, so all of you know a teacher. Very good. Okay, so in section B, what you had to do is you had to match these places with the jobs that people do. Okay, so number 1, we have a hospital. So which one is a hospital? Number 1 is a hospital. That's correct. And who works in a hospital? A doctor works in a hospital. That is very good. Number 2, we have a police station. Who works in a police station? A policeman works in a police station. Very good. Then we have a school. Which one is a school? Number 4 is a school. And who works in a school? That's right, a teacher works in a school. And lastly, we have an airport. Who works in an airport? And which picture is an airport? Number 3 is an airport. And who works there? A pilot works at an airport. Okay, lastly we had section C, which is things that these people do. Okay, first we had flies planes. So which one in these squares flies planes? That is correct. Number 4 flies planes. And who flies a plane? A pilot flies planes. Good, very good. And then we have help sick people. Who helps sick people? Number 1 helps sick people, and a doctor helps sick people. Very good. Okay, then we have teacher students. Which one of these squares fits with the word teacher students? Number 2, that is correct. A teacher teaches students. That's right, we all know that. And then lastly, catches thieves. Which one of these squares catches thieves? Number 3, and who catches thieves? A policeman catches thieves. Very well.